Welcome to RC's RC Cars, a channel dedicated to showing you how to build your own RC car. Today we're going to continue building this Kyosho Fantom PZF T-33 pan car kit, and this is going to be part 14 of the build series. We're going to be working on step 17, which is to assemble the damper. So we're going to need the contents from this bag. So we're going to start right here. So we need to find this shaft, which was easy. We also need to find these two very small E-rings. And we also need to take out this piston right here. First thing we're going to do is to place an E-ring onto the bottom ring of this shaft. Okay, then I'm going to put this piston on. Now I'm going to put another E-ring on top. Okay, there we go. Okay, and then the next thing we need to do is to unscrew this damper body. And you need to find this very hard to see plastic piece, which is this ring right here, SC22204. It's just almost clear plastic ring, very hard to see. And we're just going to slip this over the threads here. Okay, it took a little bit of work and dug into my fingernails quite a bit. But we just need to drive this all the way down to the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and then the next step is going to insert this piece and then this clear O-ring and then this piece right here and then the piston. So I believe this black piece right here is going to be that. This is going to be that piece right there. Okay, so we're going to start from here. We're going to attach this spacer, then the rubber O-ring, and I'm going to apply a little bit of the damper oil. Then we're going to insert this. Then we're going to put this on. All right, okay. And now we're going to need this rod end, which should be this right here. Okay, and then we're going to fill this up. Okay, I probably have way too much in there. We'll see. Okay, a little bit oil is spilling out. That's perfect. There we go. All right, so next I'm going to take this O-ring and insert it into there. Okay, it should be in there. All right, and we're going to screw that on this direction. And now we're going to put the spring on. Then we're going to need this piece, which is this right here. And we're just going to compress the spring and let's slide that on. And there we go. One more thing, the starting position for this damper is 5 millimeters. So I'm just going to keep turning this. All right, so that's about 5 millimeters right there. And that's it for today's video. We worked on step 17. We put together the one oil damper. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.